magic world. Deep in the universe, there is a magical planet wrapped in soft, glowing nebulae. On that planet lies a wonderful land full of magic, the Star Cat Kingdom. In this kingdom lives a kind, sweet, and smart princess, Princess Sisi. And she has one adorable, cuddly magic kitten, Duoduo.
Duoduo, why are you being so cold to me?
Which pretty dress should I wear today? Sparkle, sparkle, dress up magic!
Pew, pew, pew!
Why didn't anything change? Did my magic stop working again? Fine then, let's try again. Sparkle, sparkle, dress up magic! Still not working? Must have said the magic words wrong. Sparkle, sparkle, transformation magic! One more time. Sparkle, sparkle, new dress magic. Again. Sparkle, sparkle, outfit magic. Sparkle, sparkle, pretty dress magic. Sparkle, sparkle, dress up magic. Sparkle, sparkle.
Pew, 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 pew!
Wait, is my magic wand broken? I found it! This is the dress I want to wear today.
So beautiful.
You think my clothes didn't change at all? No. Look, Duoduo. The stars on this dress have shiny sparkles.
Don't be mad, Duoduo.
Are you getting hungry? Let's make some yummy flying fish cakes together.
No.
With my amazing magic skills, this will be super easy. Sparkle, sparkle, yummy food magic.
Pew, pew, pew!
It's fine, it's fine. Just a tiny magic adjustment. Sparkle, sparkle, yummy food magic.
Pew, pew, pew!
It turned into a rock?
Are you okay, Duoduo?
One more try. This time it will work for sure. Sparkle, sparkle, yummy food magic. How about we eat your favorite banana fish instead?